How to restore WhatsApp business chats? Got a new computer or reinstalled the app? Here's how to restore your chats. When you log back into WhatsApp Business, the app will detect your backup automatically. Click Restore when prompted and wait while your messages and media are downloaded. Once complete, your entire chat history will reappear just like before. Use the same phone number and cloud account you used for the backup, or the chats won't restore. Have you ever had to restore your chats before? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can restore WhatsApp business chats. It's quick and easy. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.